All of you have got some understanding और किसी को ऐसा भी है स्कॉल में जिसको एसएसबी का कुछ भी नहीं पता. Everybody has got some idea. All of you from 40 background, I'm sure you will have that little idea, right? So that helps my job. But what I will do is I will explain it not your way, जिस तरीके से आपको पता है, my way. So this is SSB through my way. This is A first Obika, right? So we'll quickly go over. Now these are the locations. Army. There are a couple of other SSBs that have come up. I have not updated it. It is there. So these are the locations. So if you are going for Army, you go here Navy, Air Force, right? Not a Navy. Okay. So this we have already seen. 3 techniques, 15 OIQs, and I will be using this movie not today, but in our subsequent interaction where we get into the actual training module, right? This we already saw. Yeah, this is the entire SSB in nutshell. I will give you a copy of this. I forgot getting it tomorrow. I will get it through your TPO, so I will get it delivered to you. Now, this is the entire SSB. We will not go over this. We will go one by one. Okay, so SSB is a 5-day testing process. It is not one-day interview. It's a 5-day testing process. And the 5-day does not include the day you report there. आप जिस दिन वहाँ जाके report करते हो, it is minus. लेकिन in case of technical entries, your applications are so much because of online application and the volume of application कि आप लोगों के केस में this first day also is included. It's only for a problem, typical problem at TGC and somebody has experienced this problem. Okay, otherwise for a regular entry what happens is they come to the SSB और वो तो बस में बैठा के SSB में लेके जाते हैं chest numbers, some administrative thing and all that. एक दिन वहाँ पे SSB में रहते हैं. And then अगले दिन they are put through the stage 1 testing, and based on the stage 1 result, people who clear the stage 1 they remain, others go back the next day. But in case of TGC and this, because of the volume, they cannot handle so many people. What happens is ये reporting, normal reporting for any other batch is 1400 hours, that is 2 बजे. उसके जगह में technical entry आप लोगों का unfortunately it is at morning 6 o'clock, and 6 o'clock करके 2 बजे तक खेल खत्म कर देते हैं. खाना भी कभी अवॉइड होता है, इतना स्ट्रेंथ में आता है. That is because of the online application. See that. But otherwise the point is कि reporting day is normally not counted. If anyone is going for SSB other than this TGC or something, you will have reporting plus 5 days. Okay. So on the reporting day you go and report the MCO, Movement Control Office. वहाँ पे एक बस आता है. इस बस में उस दिन का जो conference out वाले बंदे हैं, they are left there. So उनसे interact नहीं करना. Otherwise it is like before you are put into battle, whom you meet is large number of battle casualties. Don't interact with them. They will fill you with negativity. SSB उनको तो पता नहीं क्या है. चुप, detach. Otherwise वो हिला देंगे आपको. लड़ाई में जाने से पहले आप बिना काम वाले लोगों को मिलोगे कैसा लगेगा? Don't interact with them. Once the bus is empty, आपका सामान open, you go to SSB. SSB में just number, documentation, PAQ form, lot of administrative things are there. आपका अगर since you're going for TGC आपको bed वगैरह नहीं दिखाते. Otherwise all administrative tasks on the first day, no testing, and in the evening the GTO comes and briefs you. This I am telling you the normal procedure. In your case it will be briefed in the morning itself. Duty GC will come and do the entire briefing. What is expected in the 5 days of testing. Okay. One important form that you have to fill is PIQ form. मैं उसका copy सर को पहले देखूँ. I will get it tomorrow and give it to you. This form is like a resume in the corporate world. Corporate world में resume में कितना भी रंग बिरंगा colorful बना लो, but then resume base is threshold on which the interview starts. So whatever you write, you are accountable for what you write. So if you want to write good, be good and write. Otherwise fancy हो जाएगा, है ना? So PIQ form, I will give you a copy of that. This is the will not go over it, the contents of this is the PIQ form. ये पहले 2 पेज का था, आजकल ये 4 पेज का हो गया, आगे पीछे सब करके. So I will give you that. You can get a copy if you want. Huh? Now SSB interview is conducted in 2 parts. There is a stage 1 testing and there is a stage 2 testing. The significance of stage 1 is unless and until you clear the stage 1 testing, you will not be allowed to undertake the stage 2 testing. So it is that. Okay. Now इसमें होता क्या है? There is a intelligence test, we'll see what is that, and there's a test called PP and DT. We'll see what is it in the next slide. पहले intelligence test. Now intelligence test में दो है. One is verbal, the other is non-verbal. Now verbal के example, for example, number sequence. Just somebody can. दिख रहा है सभी को? Last में दिख रहा है? They are absolutely simple. What makes it complicated is time. We saw that na psychological test timing. Okay. कोई इसमें बड़ा मुश्किल है क्या? It's not मुश्किल. This becomes मुश्किल under time. The mind has to respond very fast. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Service entry, जो आर्मी वाले एंट्री है, पता नहीं कहाँ से अपना कोचिंग सेंटर्स में ये असली वाले सेट्स है. उनको सेट नंबर बता दो और 60 क्वेश्चन है. 1 का 3, 1 का C, B का D, और उन्होंने सीक्वेंस याद किया वो सीधा जाके छेद देता है. So you find the intelligence test में the highest markings are obtained by the service entry group. Set number बता दो 54D. 1 का D, C का B, B का C, C का C, टक 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 टक. He gets the highest, but rejection, selection is the lowest. समझ में आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Sunita walks 3 kilometer north south. Finally कहाँ? Very difficult? No. Air is called water. Water is called this. This. Where does fish live? Fish lives in air. ना? Then non-verbal. Next rotation में next क्या आएगा? Whatever is ABCD. Not very difficult. इससे complicated CSR में आता है. हाँ? What next? दो डब्बा खोल के what will be the final one? And if you want to practice it, I'll try and get it tomorrow. Maybe you can do it. So that was intelligence test. Not difficult. It becomes difficult under the constraint of time. Okay. Next is a test called PP and DT, picture perspection and discussion test. ये होता क्या देखो? It is conducted in 2 parts. Okay. In the first part, you are shown a picture. And on that picture, you have to write a story. And you will be shown the picture for 30 seconds. I'll put you through tomorrow. And 30 seconds के लिए to observe, not to see. Observe. ऐसा है अंदर. Okay. 1 minute to write some details. What details? Number of characters, their gender, age, mood, and then the title of the story, whatever story you write. And then 4 minutes to write your response. 4 minutes में आपने वो story लिखना है. And so this is the first part. Second part की your group will be divided into smaller 15-16 का group. I'll show you photograph. And then each candidate will be given 1 minute, only 1 minute, to narrate your individual story, along with the number of characters, gender, age, mood, title of the story, and all those stuff, and 1 minute. Here comes the communication skill. 1 minute में कोई तो इंजन ही गरम नहीं होता. ऐसा मतलब समझ क्या बोलो? Now you tell me, you have done so much of preparation. इंजीनियरिंग बन गया, वहाँ जाकर मुंह नहीं खोला है, मुंह से भी नो भी नहीं बोल पा रहा, मतलब नहीं बोलना सर अगले को दे, मुंह से नो नहीं बोल पा रहा, अपने लगे डिग्री आपने बोल दी, समझ आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? It happens in all entries. Very unfortunate our education system. Okay, 15 minutes to discuss. उसके बाद में क्या होता है? When everybody finishes, 15 minutes to discuss. And the aim of discussion is हर एक का story अलग अलग होगा. Everybody has to make one story, converge. Competition, मेरा हिस्सा, तेरा हिस्सा. So वहाँ पे द्रौपदी का चीरहरण शुरू हो जाता है. है ना? People who are born, they will understand what I'm saying. है ना? Narration of a common group story. उसके बाद में somebody nominated by the group has to give the group story. Nomination में झगड़ा, यही leadership है. Nomination से, दादागिरी से नहीं. है ना? So this is the intelligence test going on and PP and DT का PP test going on. And this person is a psychologist. And this is the second part, discussion wala. Na? Interviewing officer, a psychologist and a GTO. 15 people, 1 minute and then discussion, all those stuff. Just to get you a hang of it, right? Okay. Now after that, the stage 1 results are announced based on those 2 components. Intelligence test ka this something. What we do with the intelligence test, you don't have to bother. Forget it. We do something with that and we do something with this. And based on that, recommended candidates are put through the stage 2 testing, and others they catch the train on the same day and leave. In case of your entry, 6 तारीख को 6 बजे उधर, 2 बजे वापस. खाना मिल गया तो अच्छा, नहीं तो बाहर खाना. Okay. Now here the rejection rate is very high. And we will see in a separate slide tomorrow why stage 1 का इतना high rejection है. And it will make a lot of sense. Okay, and people who get recommended, they are put through the stage 2, which is the actual SSB. Now there are two terms called for people who don't make it through the SSB. One says I'm screened out. Screened out people are these lal wala. Second says I'm conferenced out. Conference out people are better than screened out people because at least they have seen the entire procedure and यहाँ से वो बाहर हो जाते हैं, है ना? So ये हो गया. Okay, now comes the stage 2, the main SSB, कर्मा वाचा मानसा. Okay, on the day 2, आपके केस में एक day minus कर देना. On the day 2, you will be put through psychological test. What are the psychological? These are the psychological tests. है ना? You have a test called thematic perception test. Then you have a test called word association test and situation reaction test and self description. ये चार होते हैं. Okay. अब let us see TAT क्या है. Now TAT, thematic perception test. इसमें क्या होता है? एक के बाद एक टक 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 करके 12 pictures are shown. The last one is always a blank. Blank मतलब स्क्रीन में कुछ भी नहीं है. We'll see उसको क्या करना है. You can put anything out of your imagination. In the PP and DT you show only one picture. Here there are 12 pictures including one blank. How much time? 30 seconds to observe, not to see. Picture नहीं देख रहा, सब है अंदर, है ना? 4 minutes to respond. Respond क्या है? जो भी कहानी लिखना है. We'll see कैसे लिखना है वो सब कल. आज के लिए इतना. Response to be given in 3 parts. 3 part में अपने response देना है. तो for understanding, let us say these are the 3 parts. जो भी पिक्चर दिखाया, it is not a picture, it is a situation. ये एक परिस्थिति है. परिस्थिति है तो आपको 3 भाग में लिखना है. क्या? First, what led to this situation? क्या परिस्थिति थी जिसके कारण ये हुआ? अब क्या हो रहा है? And what will be the final outcome? समझ में क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Okay, if I have to explain it through this, लगान मूवी जब भुवन राजा के पास गया था गांव वालों के साथ, मुखिया के साथ, क्या क्रिकेट मैच खेलने गया था? वो तो अपना 2 साल का लगान माफ कराने के लिए गया था. तो पीछे से वो कैप्टन रसल आके कुछ उंगल दे दिया and suddenly the situation turned. Is it a question to him? It is not a question. It's a situation that became. पूरे गांव वाले राजा included सबने ना अंदर they didn't speak because रसल डांटना शुरू कर दिया, including some of the well-wishers अंग्रेज. They also said Bhuvan should say no, but Bhuvan ultimately said शरत मंजूर है, ये लो भैया. Then the hell broke down. Then you know what happened. And then the cricket match, and then they won. But the point is, what led to the situation, what is currently happening, and what is the final outcome. Now imagine इस movie में भुवन ने बोला शरत मंजूर है, थोड़ा बैटिंग के बाद जीत जाते, आपको मजा आता? मजा आता? लास्ट बॉल में जब उसने भुवन ने घुमा के ना एक्स्ट्रा बॉल में मारा, वो रसल कैच लिया लाइन के ऊपर खड़ा हो गए. There were people who stood up on the chair. ये व्यक्ति की सारा आउट तो नहीं हो गया? Sorry. आप लोग पॉजिटिव बच्चे हैं, मैं will excuse me. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say? So, what made the movie interesting is not the first part, is not the last part, is the process. How did he do after he accepted the challenge? Life may be destination sometimes is not important. What you do in the process of journey is very important. And if you are happy there in the process, if you get the destination, fine. Even if you don't get the destination, you're very happy, satisfied. But अगर मेरे को end result चाहिए और end के चक्कर में इतना परेशान हो रहा हूँ कि मुझे बीच का journey भी समझ रहे क्या बोल रहा हूँ? So we'll see that tomorrow. So the difference between PP and DT is this. उसमें ये एक picture होता है, these additional issues are to be written, and then there is a discussion. There is no discussion in this case, but the writing of story is absolutely identical. So there will not be separate PP and DT and TAT for you. On each day when we come, we will have one story writing practice and a little bit of discussion. The purpose is because if you don't clear this part, you will not go to the, है ना? Because see stage 2 में TAT में गड़बड़ हो गया तो at least 5 दिन तो रहोगे. But if you don't make it to the stage 1, you will not have the fair experience of the SSB. So every day tomorrow onwards, at least 2 story first 2 days and then 1 story, and maybe I'll give you a couple of, I'll give you to practice. Okay, sample TAT. if I have to show you one picture, it will be something like this. It will not be very clear, it will be vague because कसा बंदा है ना? कैसे इसको देखना, कैसे ऑब्जर्व करना, क्या देखना, क्या नहीं देखना, we will discuss tomorrow. Something like that. The pictures will not be very clear. Some of them may be clear, some of them may not be clear. And if you have the clarity कि इसमें देखना क्या है, आपको वो दिखाई देना शुरू हो जाएगा. But आप वैसे मेले में देखोगे, तो not. It is like अगर एक नया आदमी पुणे में आता है और उसे जरा इसकी आदत है, वो शाम तक ढूंढ लेता है. Because you know what is he looking for. दारू चाहिए. हंस रहा है. Okay, next is WAT. He understands me. Next is WAT, word association test. है ना? इसमें क्या होता है? 60 words are presented one after the other, टक 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 करके. Each word stays for how many seconds? 15 seconds. इस 15 seconds में you have to understand that word and उसके बाद में आपने क्या लिखना है? You have to express your first thought or the feeling. It is not a English का sentence making test. There is a difference between English का sentence making, grammatically correct, no grammar. ये भावनाओं का level 3. But लोग क्या करते हैं? I have seen a person, फौजी again, फौजी इस चीज में बड़ा माहिर होता है, क्योंकि उसको बहुत टाइम होता है. He had a रट्टोफाइड चमत्कार बराता 500 of them. बोला सर कुछ भी हो, क्या क्रिकेट मैच खेलने आए, कोई भी वर्ड निकाल दो. What is this? 600, 500, 600 words को रटा हुआ है. Okay, रटा कैसे वो अगले में देखेंगे. Sample, we will have a छोटा सा नमूना. Mother. Yeah, let's have something. Yeah, blue t-shirt. Some sentence of first feeling oblique thought mother के ऊपर. I love my mother. Whatever. हाँ.
Shows us direction.
Shows us direction. Very good. There is a ना वो फोटोग्राफर भी बैठा हुआ है अपने यूनिफॉर्म वाला. तुम तो एसएसबी में नहीं जाना. मदर के ऊपर क्या बोलेगा?
She is a generator of the.
हैं?
She is a generator of the.
Okay, generator. Whatever. Two girls are there. Yeah, can we have the red bag? Mother. Mother has selfless love. हाँ. कोई last time.
Sir, God of my life.
God of my life. Mother is the symbol of sacrifice. माँ त्याग का, बलिदान का, क्या क्या ये सब है ना? Okay, good. Yeah.
Sir, India becomes a mother milk bed.
अच्छा ठीक है, good. Okay, see. One thing you have to understand. These are what test? These are what test? Psychological test. Now psychological test में psychologist आपको देखता भी नहीं. This girl is conducting the psychological test. 50-60 बंदे एक साथ बैठे हुए and ultimately she collects the papers. Does she उसके बाद remember who is who? For her, this paper is you. आपका व्यक्तित्व इस पेपर से निकलना है. Now look at the answers that you give. Mother is the symbol of love. Mother gives direction. Mother gives birth. They are all right. कोई गलत है इसमें? But they are all surface level. प्याज का पहला ऊपर का छिलका आवाज ज्यादा करता है, substance नहीं है. You say कि what do you mean? I have a daughter. छोटी है. उससे भी पूछो मदर से वो क्या बोलेगी? I love my mother. Mother is the first teacher. Mother is the symbol. यही सब बोलेगी ना. आप उनसे शायद 6-7 साल बड़े हो, आप भी वही बोल रहे हो. रिक्शे वाले को बोलोगे वही बोल रहे हैं. So at a psychological level there is no difference. Your qualification has not made any difference in terms of thinking. Let me give an example. मोती निकालना है तो समुद्र में ऐसा हाथ डाल के अच्छा ये निकल गया, मोती निकलेगा. If you have to go a little deeper, let me give you easy steps since I started mother. I am going to give you some clues, and उस clues के बाद आप देखना क्या करना है. जैसे हम normally mother बोलते हैं, what is our first reaction? आप अपनी mother को सामने आ जाना. That's how it is happening. Now let us detach from our mother. Even though I love your mother, आप भी करते हो, मैं भी अपनी माँ से प्यार करता हूँ. Let us leave our mother and let us see mother from a society perspective. What are the issues? I'll give you a couple of them. Teen pregnancy, they are also mother. Surrogacy mothers. Unwed mothers, malnutrition mothers, stillbirth mothers, educated mothers, working mothers, they are all dimensions of mother. Let us take one surrogate mother. India is today surrogacy capital. Are you aware of that? Surrogacy का मतलब क्या है? मेरा घर का hire पे दिया हुआ है. Today we are India में surrogacy capital है. Reason, one person, anyone. Let's have a girl speaking, anyone. या आप बगल वाले. Yeah, so she gave poverty is a reason because of which surrogacy is increasing. Can you convert into a sentence? Yeah, you want to? Yeah. Okay, what's your name? Pooja. Okay, fine. Thank you, Pooja. See, now the point is what mother वही है, लेकिन क्या हो गया, हम थोड़ा गहराई में चले गए. We have gone away from the surface. I imagine आपका ये sentence लिखा है कि India is today surrogacy capital because of economic reasons. गरीबी के कारण ये हुआ. This line and I love my mother. दोनों क्या इसका एक तुलनात्मक में सेम है. Sun rises in the east. अरे उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Sun solar energy देता है. उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Can you convert it into concrete application? Honesty is the best policy. उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? You know, हम surface level पे रह जाते हैं. But there are some people amongst us. वो भी हमारे साथ किसी कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं. But हम बोलते हैं ये कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं? मैंने हमारे जैसे तो है, but इसका क्वेश्चन बड़ा गहरा है. कब होता नहीं 10th 11th 12th में देखे होंगे. Because they think in a different level. So it is not that it is not possible. होता क्या है, जैसे मम्मी के किचन में जाना, तो किचन में सबसे आगे नमक वो सब मिलेगा या दालचीनी मिलेगा? नमक हल्दी वो सब आगे होगा, दालचीनी होगा. हाँ, आपके भी सब्जेक्ट्स देख लेना, जो सब्जेक्ट आपको कुछ ज्यादा ही प्यारे हैं ना वो ऊपर होंगे. दूसरे टेस्ट से पहले ढूंढना पड़ता कहाँ गए, तब पता चलता वो तो उसके रूम में तकिया बना के रखा हुआ है. ढूंढना पड़ता है. Because I don't like it now. So if our thinking pattern is something which we can associate little more than what is visible, we can have the capacity to go beyond. It's a matter of practice and easily possible. Only क्या नहीं होता है, speed नहीं मिलता, because this is a new pattern. So मेरे को conscious level में करना पड़ता. This is where your practice comes. So we'll see that tomorrow. Next is SRT, situation reaction test. We already spoke about it. 60 situations, a booklet. एक booklet है, हर एक को दिया जाता है 60 situations and 30 minutes to complete it. छोटे-छोटे day-to-day life के situations है. How do you respond to them? है ना? These situations you have to put yourself into that. आप उस परिस्थिति में क्या करोगे? Example. Can you put somebody's response here? They are your responses. Marry an uneducated but wealthy girl. Marry her. Okay. Last is self-description. This is the last test in the psychological test. Self-description में क्या होता है? You have to write about yourself. Self. आपको आपके बारे में कितना ज्ञान है. The first thing is, what is the opinion of your parents about you? हम सबको पता है, पर लिखते टाइम भले कुछ भी लिखे, हमें तो पता है ना, मम्मी मेरे बारे में क्या सोचती है, है ना? Okay. Second is, what is the opinion of your professors about you? In your case, or in case of Fauji's, your company commander, or in case somebody is working, your bosses. Friends about you, your weakness and your strength. देखने में आसान लगता है, but it's very difficult when you start writing about yourself. What qualities would you like to develop? So you will find that you get 15 minutes to do it. You can practice it. Now practice में क्या होता है कि make it good. Make it good does not make you good. So पहले make yourself good. This will automatically become good. Otherwise क्या होता है? Your responses are compared with this. The psychologist के पास ये data होता है. He compares and then he sees ये बोल क्या रहा है और कर क्या रहा है. They are highly introspective, inward looking. Okay, so this is the psychological testing. वही photograph है, उसको rotate कर दिया है. Next is group testing officer. I was the GTO, right? Now GTO class से पहले एक group dynamic. I'll just give you a little orientation to this. You will understand क्योंकि ये बड़ा day-to-day basis होता रहता है. It's happening right now. I can feel that dynamics between you and us. We live in a social environment. और हम सब एक सामाजिक प्राणी होते हैं, we live in a social environment. ऐसे इस environment में ये मैं हूँ, आप हो, हम सब हैं, है ना? And we encounter situations. Day-to-day, whatever. This classroom is a situation. है ना? And this interaction between you as a person, as part of this society, and this situation. In the process of this interaction, you give out some behavior back to the environment. I also can feel that behavior back to the environment. You can also feel my behavior back to me. है ना? So what is visible to me is the behavior, and this behavior is an outcome of your personality interacting with the given situation. So to me it's like a mathematical equation. your behavior, which is outwardly visible to me, is a function of your personality interacting with the environment. And we subsequently, little while before, we saw how your personality gets built up. So in the process, what I do, there are two known quantities, one unknown quantity. What are the known quantities? Your behavior, you are giving me. It's visible to me. What is the second variable? The environment, because I am giving you. In case of GTO, I am giving you. In case of life, the situation gives. कसब ताज के अंदर आ गया, एक आदमी चापाई के नीचे घुस जाता, दूसरा अपने रिस्क लेके जान के दूसरों को बचाना. These are two behavior flowing out of the same situation. So this is known to me because it's you are giving me. This, the environment, in case of SSB, I am giving you. And this is a parameter which is unknown. Is it not a mathematical equation? So through what you demonstrate, I penetrate through that and find out what is inside. Your value system, your belief X, Y, Z. Can you mask it? Can you mask it? You cannot. हम भी आपस में नहीं बोलते यार बात बड़ा मीठा करता है पर बहुत पीछे मारता है. We do this unknowingly. We do it. I am trained to do it. Unknowingly, all of us do it. इस क्लास में अभी आप लोगों को बॉडी लैंग्वेज से बहुत कुछ कम्युनिकेट हो रहा है. We communicate 75% out of your non-verbal. It is only about 10% or 15% verbal communication. Okay. SSB, exactly the same thing. Candidate, social environment is a group. Task, I give you the situation. So I create it, I put you through that. So I know this variable completely. It is like back of my palm. And you in turn give me the behavior. Is it not easy? समझ में आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? We can actually do it. We do it. आपस में भी हम डे टू डे में करते रहते हैं. भाई की वाइफ नई शादी हो गया आई है. You keep observing and then keep saying अरे ये ऐसे बोल रही है लेकिन ऐसे करती है वैसे करती है. क्या what are you doing? You're doing this behavior देख के impact निकालना. And these are the tasks that I put you through. These are the various situations that I create. नाम अलग अलग है but मेरा काम एक ही है. You give some information which is the behavior and I penetrate through that into the shell. So where should it work? Inside the shell or outside the coca? Okay, so last time the videos are available on the YouTube. यहाँ पे there's that YouTube. Hopefully I'll take it as such tomorrow. Now let's come to GTO specific. These are the 9 tasks in GTO spread over 2 days. So with the GTO, you stay for 2 days. The first task is group discussion. Okay, group discussion. This is the way it is conducted. Circular. And 2 group discussion. 2 of them. One on national issues, second on international public social issues. So you should be one standard जवाब from all students, especially from engineering background. सर टाइम ही नहीं मिलता current affairs का. बिल्कुल सही बात है. ये part of the 90% ना. Comfort zone. You do little bit, you become different from others. Here is one candidate who is doing what all 90 are doing, yet he has been able to find time. Trust me, all of us have time. We know how we kill the time. पता है कि नहीं? And now I'll tell you how to do it. ये क्या है कल बताऊंगा. At least currently 1-2 महीने का पीछे का current affairs update कर लो ना. One standard way of doing it is कि paper पढ़ लो. If you are not regular, you cannot do it through that. But you must continue to try that. But the faster ways I'll tell you क्या करना है. Go to www.ndtv.com. यहाँ पे जाना. This is the home page. यहाँ पे videos में जाना. वीडियोस में जाके नेक्स्ट क्लिक करना शोज में. एंड जब शोज में क्लिक करोगे ए से लेकर जेड तक आता है. गो टू पी एंड गो टू डब्ल्यू. द बक स्टॉप्स हियर. द बिग फाइट, द वर्डिक्ट, वी द पीपल, लॉट ऑफ देम दे आर ऑल डिबेट चैनल्स. टाइमिंग्स है. वो टाइमिंग में हो सकता है आप ना देखो बट देन दिस इज अवेलेबल हियर. इसमें आज से शुरू करो. गो बैकवर्ड्स. एक एक टॉपिक में 45 minutes से लेकर 1 hour तक के discussions है. And what is the best part of this discussion is people who are discussing are not you and me. They are absolutely people who are involved in this issue. समझा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? For example, Naxalite issue. People from Naxalite, people who are Naxalite, CRPF, military, government, ये वो, Armed Forces Special Power Act, Army, DSF, Chief Minister, ex-militant, कोई क्रॉस फायरिंग में मारा गया. So what you get is same topic में within that 45 minutes of time, visual and audio, multiple inputs on same topic. Can you do that in newspaper if you are not thorough? This is the fastest I found, very very effective because the inputs are so many. But एक problem है इसमें. The problem ये है कि इस input में multiple direction से inputs आया इस issue पे. Now you need to have the capacity to ultimately what? Yes. विश्लेषण करने की शक्ति. This is one of the requirements the SSB or क्या in life also. In life also you have multiple inputs. You need to have the discrimination power. What is right, what is wrong, based on your own sense of body. If you can do that, you are there. But if you are not able to do that, you only reproduce what you heard, then आप चतुर से कोई काम नहीं हो. चमत्कार बोला आपका. I was talking to you in the morning आपको. Okay. So you can see कि GD में what are the common mistakes. For last time the recording is available. We will do it here. Okay. Next is group planning exercise. Now group planning exercise, this is the way it is conducted. इसमें semi-circular manner में बैठाया जाता है. There is a model and all that. The sequence is this. Briefing is done away from the model. There is a briefing before each task. I'll explain what is the significance of briefing. It is like before you enter into the Taj with kasab inside, there is a briefing. ऐसे करना, वैसे करना, उससे नहीं जाना, दरवाजा खोल के नहीं घुस जाना, सीढ़ी से नहीं आना. These are instructions which you have to follow because it is not a normal guest walking inside. It's an operation where kasab is there who is firing. And so the significance of briefing is it gives you the instruction which you are supposed to follow in each task. So listen to them very very carefully. If you are casual, you miss out on the details. So next you are introduced to the model. Thereafter, GTO reads a narrative. Narrative is a story sheet which is based on this model. It reads it. It's like a case study, and then you have a scenario also painted. And then you are given time for 5 minutes to read. And after this 5 minutes, the sheets are taken back. There is no sheet with you, it's all here inside. So your capacity to retain information, your capacity to assimilate what is happening, your capacity to understand what are the actions required, what are the resources available. So a lot of internal qualities are required to do what it is expected at this stage. Then you have to write your solution, 15 minutes. And once you finish with that, those sheets are taken back. You have to discuss for 15 minutes. Aim is to come to a common agreed group solution. आपके ग्रुप में 10 हैं, 10 solutions. Discussion is to come to one. Again, Draupadi ka Chiravan. You will actually understand what is Draupadi ka Chiravan once you go there. And then ultimately, one person nominated by the group has to be the group solution. We will see the details subsequently. This is something like this. This is the model, and then you have this narrative here. Okay, so I have a little video here. Just listen to it. This is taken from a Mission Olympics. Mission Olympics, Mission Army. Some of you would have seen it. Yes.
In stage 1, I shall introduce you on a model. Try to understand the various features of the model.
Now this off-white color indicates the general open countryside that you see when you travel in a train and look outside.
You're a group of students from village Ghanari. You're going attend an inter-college football match in a local train. When the Sonpur forest is about to finish, your train stops with a big jump somewhere here. While you were deciding what to do, a lady comes from the railway coach in a breathless condition.
He saw a few suspicious-looking men.
Bus service from village Sonpur to Dhamnagar is after every even hour.
And there's no mobile connectivity in this area. As bold young students, what will you do?
The group planning exercise helps selectors find out a candidate's risk-taking and creative problem-solving ability. It also tells a lot about his or her capacity to work in a team. During the group discussions that follow, the selectors watch out for people who can communicate better and convince others tactfully and politely. They also value people flexible enough to adopt ideas superior to their own.
सब डिवाइडेड हो गए थे ग्रुप, दो ग्रुप में. उधर से वो हैरी उठ रहा था, इधर से ये उठ रही थी. तो कोई बीच में से आधे इनको सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, इधर से वो इनको सपोर्ट कर रहे थे.
Gentlemen, you got last 1 minute.
After heated discussions, the team leaders present their strategies.
Now the person who gives the group plan is a candidate who has been chosen by consensus from the group members. Now such a candidate, one thing is like he has been accepted by the group as one person who can represent the group. and he will be the person who can comprehensively give the plan on the lines how the discussion progressed and whatever was agreed upon.
And we can also reach for the football match on time.
So this way we see a candidate who is acceptable and who has got certain amount of intellectual capability.
Okay, now this video is not a realistic SSB thing. The people who conduct this we are also in civil dress, not this much of people. It is group of 10. It's a, it was a scene, I know some of you would have seen it. देखा मिशन आम ही करते हैं. Okay, anyway, next is lecture 8. Next topic is lecture 8. Lecture 8 में क्या होता है? You are given 3 minutes to prepare on a selected topic, and after the 3 minutes, you have to speak on that topic extempo for 3 minutes. Like I just speak, किसी को उठा दिया, I give you a sheet like this. एक sheet दूँगा उसमें there will be 4 topics. You have to decide anyone how much time to prepare. 3 minutes. Thereafter 3 minutes to deliver that. The topic can be anything like this. ऐसे दिया हुआ है. It can be whatever. Now, some of them may be related to current affairs. Some of them may be related to general awareness, which does not change day-to-day basis. Some of them may be my favorite movie, my actor, or whatever. So there is level discrimination. So you will find something where you can always speak, provided you can communicate. So we'll talk about it sometime when we go into details about this tomorrow. Now if you see, this requires little understanding. This can be a generic topic. ये कुछ तो बोल ही देंगे. Okay. Next is progressive group task, half group task, final group task and command task. मैंने इन सबको एक साथ ग्रुप कर दिया because I will put you through this module, all of them, but मैं अलग-अलग नहीं करूँगा. What I will tell you, the way I am going to do it is, it is like firing on the range. If you can fire properly in the range, breathing, grip अच्छा, aim अच्छा, the bullet will go and hit. Now अगर यहाँ पे अच्छा है, if you are taken to desert, you will again fire there. If you are taken to mountain, you will again fire. All you need to do is little adjustment, depending upon the terrain, है ना? Now यहाँ पे देखो PGT, HGT, FGT are in green, other is in red. The difference is the first 3. It is like I come into the class and I say, okay, class 10 minutes empty the room, पूरा खाली कर दो, and I go. Who is responsible? Who is responsible? Nobody is responsible. It's a diffuse responsibility. So natural leaders start emerging. Natural leaders को समझ लो, who emerge automatically because they feel ये काम हमारा है. It's not मेरा काम तुम्हारा काम, it's हमारा काम है. People who have got that team भावना, people who can initiate action in a confused, diffuse environment, those people will start emerging. Some people will say, अरे देख कैसा लगा वो पानी की तरह, मजा लेंगे. They will not involve. Okay. Some people will help. Different roles start appearing. It is like छोटे 10 बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, थोड़ी देर ऑब्जर्व करने को मिलना कि ये बच्चा बदमाश है, सबसे लड़ता है, ये सबको मिलाने की कोशिश करता है, ये उठा ही रहता है, इसकी कोई सुनता नहीं होता है. It's a very natural emerging leadership. This happens in the first 3. So यहाँ पे you have an option. Actually you have no option, but you give yourself an option not to engage. But in the command task, you have no option because I come and say कि number 3, 5 बंदे लोग empty the room. Who is responsible? उसके पीछे आग लग जाता है. This is the only difference. अब command task में आके you assume responsibility and then you do a lot of things. It makes no meaning to me if you are not been naturally emerging. Even if you do well, it only conveys that you have tremendous amount of potential, but either you don't have the capacity to execute that potential in a group, or you don't have the social skills to do it. Either it's bad for you. समझ में आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, है ना? So the way I am going to put you through is I will help you fire mentally. Mentally का मतलब क्या है? अगर if you can create the idea inside, it is only a matter of communicating it with clarity. Either somebody will execute or you will execute. But what is first important is to get the idea inside. ताजमहल किसने बनवाया? शाहजहां ने अपने हाथ से बनाया था. किसने बनाया था? 2 मजदूर के नाम बता दो. उसको बोल दो, मेरा ही नाम बोल दो. Nobody knows मजदूर. 20,000 थे. Nobody knows. शाहजहां idea, create idea. तो वहां पे सब क्या भागते हैं, हथौड़ा मुझे दो, मैं मारूंगा। शाहजहां बनो ना, हथौड़ा तो मत दो। So don't worry whether the helping material or the resources are physically with you or not. That may not happen, that may happen. But what will always remain is creation of idea. That we will do it here. And if you can do it here, I have few models. एक तो इधर अभी भी पढ़ा हुआ है, and I have actually इधर भी है. If you do that, you all will get the idea. 100%. That is the way I do it. But the point is, can you apply this idea at your level 3 skills required? Level 3 मतलब social skills, people skills. So a little video of that. Just listen to the इसमें क्या-क्या दिखता है.
Group planning is followed by a progressive group task. The progressive group task is a reliable barometer for checking out officer-like qualities, hands-on approach, intelligence, practical imagination, keeping cool under pressure, socio-emotional intelligence, presence of mind, ability to follow rules, and aptitude for teamwork.
Start from the start line and reach the finish line in 15 minutes time. Your time starts now.
In this task, the candidates are launched into a obstacle system. Now they are supposed to work out the practical solutions to a practical problem amongst themselves through their discussions, and they have to execute this as well. There are many candidates who learn about levers in class 6th and 7th and 8th. Now in the outdoor task, when they are actually confronting a practical task which can translate their bookish knowledge into something which is practical, many of them are not able to do it.
This can be climbed easily.
Whereas some people who may not be very good in academics, they will be able to apply themselves, see on the ground as to how they can relate their helping material with the structures that are available. Some of them will be just onlookers, some of them will be helping on a physical plane, some of them will be giving ideas but not actually moving forward. And some of them who will be actual leaders will be the ones who can collate the ideas, give their own ideas, as well as try and work out a solution and do it also.
Right. Now please.
Depending on the the progress of the task, the leaders will start emerging out on their own. Right?
Okay, so this is again true for engineering colleges. Technical skills है, but can you convert that to application? Prince गड्ढे में गिर गया, Prince गड्ढे में गिरा ना, उसको निकालने के लिए आम नहीं आया, क्यों? वही इक्विपमेंट आपको सिविल में भी है, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट में, कोसी नदी में बाढ़ आ गया, they were the first to run away. So this organization is an application oriented, it's not a knowledge based oriented. That's why we are all average candidate, but apply कर लेते हैं उस candidate को, that is the requirement. It's an application oriented. So this is the way I told you firing यहाँ पे आपको इन छोटे-छोटे मॉडल्स के ऊपर कराएंगे. If you can fire it here, it will happen there. Only thing is, can you execute? So it is both your hard skills and your soft skills. है ना? तो ये last time का there is a little video I not play it fully. यहीं पे इसी board में एकदम got it. So क्या होगा? So there is a problem here. It's not this water bottle has to be made to stand here. इसको अभी भी नहीं मिला इस साइड से उधर. And this is like a mathematical equation to me. So what is more important is how are you arriving at the values of this equation? Come anyone who has not got it? देखो ये क्या हो रहा है? किसको अभी भी नहीं मिला इस साइड सुनीता? क्या? बोलो सुनीता जल्दी लगाओ. Come here. Video on earth. Yeah, correct. Now, Jarman, this is what happens command task. Now all of you looking, don't speak and let her do it. Don't talk. So this is the last 3 minutes. Please, Jarman, don't talk. अभी आप देख लो what is happening. Please don't. तो शी इज ऑलरेडी अंडर प्रेशर. आपको लगता है कि मैं बड़ा कंफर्टेबल लग रही हूँ? फेल हो चुका है. So, last 2 minutes. Please don't talk. Not put more pressure on the Leela wala. Now, good. Now, good. I want you honestly to tell all of us. जब तुम यहाँ पे कर रहे थे और whatever you did, उस time besides idea के अलावा, you were experiencing certain type of chemical का लोचा also inside some kind of. Just can you honestly tell कि अंदर कैसे चलना हो? बिल्कुल be honest.
So first thing was the stress. Then second ये कि people will be thinking कि आता है कि नहीं.
वो तो people pressure. ऐसे please don't do. She's under tremendous. You cannot even imagine what is pressure होगी. Okay, उस one was कि इनका pressure था. उसके अलावा अंदर क्या चल रहा है? Just go inside and tell me क्या होगा. Honestly, let everybody know.
So it was like कि जो ये structure 2 है, arm should be below above it. So it's about to be this type.
नहीं मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. See, one was the idea was not good. What I'm saying is कि अंदर you were feeling certain experiences. कि pressure build up हो रहा है. मेरा क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा है? See, because you did lot of things. You did like this. You did like this. फिर आपने ऐसे इसको ऐसे कर दिया. So ये जब कर रहे थे तो कहीं ना कहीं besides what you're doing, उसके अलावा देखो बड़ा कुछ हो रहा था. Explain वो क्या हो रहा है? तो I know क्या हो रहा है. जो भी लगा उसे वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल यू फेल्ट एंड जितना यहाँ पे प्रोलॉन्ग पीरियड में रहोगे उतना वो प्रेशर बढ़ता जा रहा है.
So it was like was I be able to do or not?
The pressure was building है ना, सेल्फ डाउट शुरू हो गया और उसमें क्या हो गया कुछ एक्शंस वर नॉट लॉजिकल, दे वर जस्ट करना है. नो वन ऑफ देम वाज इसको उठा के ऐसे घुमा दिया सर एंड आप लोग हंसना शुरू हो गए. यू स्टार्टेड टेकिंग इट एज अ मजाक. इट्स नॉट मजाक. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट शी इज गोइंग थ्रू. Sunita, good, shabash. What she does right now is the right solution. Lekin she messes up so badly. She is one of the seniors, just passed out last year. है ना? Otherwise कोई problem नहीं है. अकेले नहीं. जहाँ इधर आई, out of this entire crowd, she was the only one who could get it. जो अभी इसने किया, she did it, but thereafter she created a mess of it. And ultimately, when again she made it accidentally, हाँ बन गया. लेकिन तब तक उसने गड्ढा खोल दिया. We'll see this video when we do that. And not only this, you have to see the way behavior से हम कैसे उसके belief system के अंदर करते हैं. This is a powerful video to understand जो मैंने वो बताया है ना. Okay, now let's come to group obstacle race. Armed forces, physical fitness, है ना, physical as well as mental. So there is no है ना 50% physically fit. I'm sure all of you देखने में अच्छा लगेगा तो अच्छे होंगे. Okay, so first is group obstacle race. There are two things. One is एक group में है, एक individual में है. In this it is as a team you are doing it. So you may be extremely good, but your goodness, unless it is directed towards the group, that goodness is no good. Check the India. Preeti Sabharwal, Komal Chautala, Bindya Nayak, they were all good, but their self-interest was predominant. समझ में आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूँ? छोरे को दिखाना है. देखता हूँ कैसे बोल करते, बोल तो मैं ही करूँगा. So to them it does not matter India हारे या जीते. Personal interest is predominant. So if your personal interest comes, you're going wrong. है ना? Okay, next क्या है? So 6 obstacles, 4 टीम को एक साथ छोड़ा जाता है. And each of these obstacles have got 4 channels. And you have to reach here first. यहाँ पे 2 टीम दिख रहा है, 2 और, है ना? So a little video of that.
They need to negotiate obstacles before going any further. The sheer purpose of this exercise is to check the coordination between their body and mind. They'll be walking on razor's edge all the time.
On your marks, set.
Even though Pune's Rohan was the first to jump off the 6-feet wall, Kuldeep from Delhi gives a tough chase to lead the pack. The girls too have to negotiate similar obstacles.
एक ही जगह थी जहाँ से हम लोग सब जा रहे थे, तो जिसका चांस लग रहा था वही वॉल से वहाँ पे पैर लगा के जंप मारा था, तो मेरे को पहले चांस मिल गया, तो I got first.
Dehradun's Nupur, who wants to be an army engineer, manages to break the jinx. Finally,
Nupur got a chance, she did it. फिर मैं आई भाग के दोबारा, नेक्स्ट टाइम मेरा हो गया. Then I thought कि मैं नुपुर को शायद ओवरटेक कर पाऊँ, बट नहीं हुआ. I tried my best. हम लोग बहुत पास में रहे तीनों, फर्स्ट थ्री, तो I came third. It's nice, quite nice experience.
Shubhangi, a fashion designer from Delhi, decides to call it a day.
Okay, so basically you require physical fitness. And this physical fitness is भले ही short, intense period का होगा, but the group energy is so much कि even if you want to give up, you will not be able to give up. Group energy में समझते हो? The energy of the group is so high. चलते इंडिया, हरा महादेव, ऐसा रॉकेट की तरह लगा कि body wants to leave, but you can't leave. आपका बॉडी मर पिट के निकल कर वहां तक तो पहुंच ही जाएगा, उसके बाद ब्रेक भी देते हो वीडियो पे. ओके, सो कीप योरसेल्फ फिजिकली फिट. इट्स गुड वेदर यू गो टू एसएससी और नॉट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. सो चैनल 1 2 3 4 टीम्स. सम रूल्स आर देयर, फॉरगेट अबाउट द रूल्स, विल सी. एक बार देख लो क्या क्या है. दिस इज ऑब्स्टेकल नंबर 2. व्हाट यू विल डू इज यू विल एंटर फ्रॉम हियर, मेक अ फिगर ऑफ 8 एंड देन कम आउट ऑफ इट. है ना? दिस इज ऑफ, या दिस पीपल आर डूइंग. इसके there is something called snake, एक लंबा सा वो होता है, उसको भी इसके साथ कुछ rules है. Whatever you have to do on the obstacle, the snake also has to do it without breaking rule. तो इतने थक जाते कि snake की ऐसे की नहीं चलेगा. Okay, obstacle number 3. You will climb from here, you go on the other side. Obstacle number 4, double wall. You will climb up here. It's not a platform. There are these bunnies. Along with the snake, you will cross and then jump over the other side. देखो सांप नीचे आ गया. This is obstacle number 5. It's a higher wall. Climb up here and then down. Why are these ropes? Yeah, it's only for girls, not for boys. And then double ramp, last one. Climb up from here along with the snake and get on the other side. Okay, this is individual obstacle. Group obstacle race. The next is individual obstacle. Okay, so individual obstacle में क्या 3 minutes 10 obstacle. Now here you are alone. आपको जो करना करो. But उस वाले में team. Have you understood? So you cannot show those skills that even though you possess, but if you start demonstrating it there, that's not the place. Okay, 3 minutes 10 obstacle. In case you are able to do all the 10 within the 3 minutes, you can repeat also. But by repeating it does not give you any guarantee कि आपका selection हो जाएगा. Now a lot of fudges come, they are able to do 19, 18. Sometimes एक आध cases में तो 20 भी किए हुए. 3 minutes में 20, ना तो they repeat it. सब ना तो हो जाऊँगा. क्यों? मान चाहिए क्या हमें? That is only one dimension. Okay, so this is obstacle number 1, single ramp. What you do is you take a run and jump. This is my daughter doing it. She can do it, all of you can do it. Okay. This is obstacle number 2. G for girls, B for boys. Road run तार के साथ. What you do? You take a jump over it without touching the red. है ना? जो इसका obstacle number है, that itself is the marks. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10, total 55. Plus number of obstacles you repeat additionally, that is bonus. Obstacle number 3, balancing beam. If you fall somewhere in between, again you do starting से. Obstacle number 4, screen jump, back the मुंह पे गिर रहा है, ऐसे नहीं गिरना. Take a run, jump. Obstacle number 5, Burma bridge. You can use the ladder or the rope, climb up, hold the rope, walk over the rope and get on the other side. Okay. लोग यहाँ से चढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. अगर पहली बार यहाँ से चढ़ रहे क्यों पंगा ले रहे हो? अब आधा लटक के उतरने को तकलीफ हो रहा है. क्यों इंप्रेशन खराब हो जाएगा? अरे इंप्रेशन तो लटकने से तो और खराब हो जाएगा. So better is depending upon your physical fitness, आराम से चलो. There is no additional bonus. Obstacle number 6, Tarzan swing. You climb up here. This groundsman hands over the rope. Take a swing. There is a pathar here, similar pathar there. Imaginary line, cross it. Obstacle number 7, double ramp. Climb up here. Take a jump here and then down. Sometimes, especially girls, वो इन दोनों के बीच में कूद जाती है. It happened in my case and nothing happened. मेरे को लगा ये तो गया. Nothing happened. Safely landed a house. ये बोला देखो तो कितना आराम से लिया. She actually missed my beat. Obstacle number 8, double pitch. You take a run, climb, jump, hold the rope, land here, leave the rope and jump. बरसात में पानी भी होता है, पानी में कभी-कभी सांप भी मिलता है. This is optional for girls. Optional for girls. Not necessarily you have to do it. If you do it, fine. If you don't do it, there's no problem. Double pitch. The next task is a combination of 2 obstacles. That is ladder followed by jump and swing. Yeah, this is the part में किया हुआ है.
This is very correct. Rope, ladder, jump and swing is a timed task. Ela, an army officer's daughter, is determined to know what it takes to be in her father's shoes.
This crossing is difficult.
Once I climbed up, I really don't know what happened. I got stuck.
All was going well for Mumbai.
So I'll skip it. So keep your physical fitness aspect. There are injuries there, especially girls में, because Indian girls, AIT वाले girls तो फौजी के बच्चे हो. Otherwise Indian girls हो, they don't play after a particular age. उसके बाद suddenly SSB में आ जाते हैं. From the double ramp नहीं, the one, oh, they fall like sack of potato. Seriously. Injury prone है because it's if you're not keeping yourself physically fit, these things get faster. Okay, this is obstacle number 9. You have to walk without touching the red, climb it over and get on the other side. So obstacle number 9. Obstacle number 10, tiger leap. You climb up, stand here, the rope is not handed over. You jump and catch the rope. Okay, and then get down. This is optional for girls. So these are the individual obstacles, 10 of them. Okay.
The 30-feet wall is the final task for the day. This is the do-or-die moment that could seal the fate of 5 contestants.
This obstacle has been designed to instill a sense of confidence and also to overcome the fear of heights. This obstacle requires the coordination between your eyes, legs and your hands.
It is tough. All the endurance and analytical skills of a candidate will be tested to its limits.
Previous task by climbing the...
Okay, so the point is the training is going to be ruthless. And to go through this ruthless training, you need to be अंदर से टैंक में पानी भरा होना चाहिए. Okay. Okay, so that was the end of GTO. Now we'll get into the details tomorrow. Something we go through. Now comes the last personal interview. Okay, personal interview is something like this. It is not. It's not a panel intermediate. It is one-to-one at a distance which is more than the personal space. Every moment is visible. After every eye movement, every leg shake, everything, non-verbal communication is visible. And then the timing is 45 minutes in case you are speaking. If you are not speaking, he does not have karma kya. Then coming to interview or लड़का ही बोलते हैं हो गया सर हाँ चलो. If you are communicating, the timing is 45 minutes. But in case if the interviewing officer wants to confirm something or maybe negate something, so it is most likely कि आगे भी ऐसे ही होगा. But if you do something like this, it is likely that you will continue. So it's based on an extrapolation. So be very very clear on your these factors. People who are working absolutely clear in your work, जो environment का है, educational background, so similar entries आप लोगों का जो है पीछे क्यों चले गए, ऊपर क्यों चले गए, क्यों नहीं, ये क्यों नहीं, वो क्यों नहीं, whole lot of things. Now there are a lot of things I will discuss when we go through it. Your home experience, spare time, interests and hobbies. बोलता है सर स्पेयर टाइम क्या लिखूं सर, मुझे क्या पता, तुम्हारा मेरा लड़का पूछा सब बुक रीडिंग लिख दूं, हाँ लिख दो सर, लेकिन पूछे हो तो तुम भी तो लिख रहे हो सर, टेक्स्ट बुक बोल देता हूँ, टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ता हूँ, जनरल नॉलेज, सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन. ओके, सो नाउ दिस वी विल टॉक सेपरेटली कि इंटरव्यू ऑफिसर का काम क्या है, हाउ डज इट डिग इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम यू, है ना. सी आई टोल्ड यू देयर आर सर्टेन इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू आर विलिंग टू गिव. इज यू इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट? Certain information, when I go to anybody, I am willing to give. Will that interviewing officer be interested in that? He will be interested in those information which you are not willing to give. His skill is to take out that. तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि तो मेरे पापा से भी अच्छा आदमी है, काश मेरे पापा ऐसे होते. तो पापा नहीं है, he is an interviewing officer. That is his job. And through that he penetrates it. You don't even know कब तुम पूरे expose हो गए, खड़े हो गए. And then वहाँ आने के बाद लगता है क्या क्या बता दिया मैंने. Seriously, so drawing window, I'll cover it how and this drawing window, it has an application in life also. You take any relationship, this relationship is understanding the health of the relationship being understood. So he has to create that healthy environment with you, where you are ready to expose everything and tell. Oh, if you can do that, he's a good interview officer. And sometimes the other he may be good, but you are better than him. You close it so hard. Either way. Sorry. Okay. So the last day is board conference. Karma, Vacha, Mansa का समावेश संगम. यहाँ पे होता संगम. So these are the people who are psychologists. They are the interviewing officer. One is the commandant of selection center, Bhopal, who will later become chief. General Badani sir, ENC. And these are the GTOs. He is a training GTO from Bhutan. He is the interviewing officer under training. बाकी ये सब GTO. और यहाँ पे एक एक करके अंदर बुलाया जाता है. ठीक है ना, और आपसे कुछ बात होता है. Now before you enter, the results are declared. What we do is, and let me just explain out of to set your curiosity. See, it is observing the same candidate using 3 different techniques, looking at the same thing. So it's a 3-dimensional row है. वहाँ पे जाके हम क्या करते हैं? Merge कर देते हैं. कि is my observation same as yours? If it is fine, if it is same, it is fine. In most cases or in some cases what happens, there are differences. That differences we try to resolve. And we try to see kitna deep hai. Is it possible to correct him? There are certain traits which cannot be corrected because their genetic component is there. There are so many other things. Certain traits can be overcome by the intense training that we go through. But certain integrity traits or certain other traits which are deep rooted may not be. So there's a discussion. And now discussion में 2-3 चीजें हो सकता है. One to clear cut clear. तीनों से clear है. So there is no discussion. So he comes, कैसा था, भोपाल कैसा था, अच्छा लगा, हाँ चलो he go and it's clear. Some are again clear cut reject. आया, चलो आपको अच्छा हुआ, क्या मजा है, हाँ चलो तू भी बात है. Now some cases are conflicts. इसके पास clear है, उसके पास नहीं है, उधर है. So there, if you are reaching a particular threshold, then you come into discussion. If you don't come into a threshold, even if you are cleared by whatever combination, you cannot be discussed because you have not reached the threshold. So you go out. Now threshold people may that whatever the concept with the बातचीत होता है, that is the purpose. The purpose is to resolve our queries, which probably हमको यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ. And based on that, we take a decision. In some cases, after the candidate leaves, तभी candidate बोलता है मेरा discussion बहुत ज़्यादा चला. हो सकता है वो academic discussion. यार ऐसा बंदा इतना कैसे survive कर गया? इसको अब तक जेल में क्यों नहीं डाला? So sometimes the discussions are academic also, not because the candidate has to clear or not. कि how can मतलब what kind of a personality is this? So it can be academic discussion. Sometimes हम tag लगा के छोड़ दें. ना that is to see कि ये observation है. We want to carry out a study. So उसको tag के साथ हम clear कर रहे थे. The tag remains with you. You don't know, but we keep following you wherever you go. What are you doing? Depending upon किस level पे पढ़ा. So don't get into all those things. So that is lot of things happen here. For you, it is the three techniques are merged here. Karma, vacha, mansa. क्या ये वही बोलता है जो सोचता है जो करता है या बोलता पूछा करता पूछा मुंह में राम बगल में छुरी है. Okay. Imagine यहाँ पे आके चमत्कार बनाता है क्या होता है? You make a big charming out of it if you do that. Don't do that. Increase your capacity. Now comes the last stage. These people are called the conference hall. They are proud conference hall. You know the entire assembly procedure. And those who make it, they again stay there for another couple of days, 4-5 days to go through their medical exam. And now this medical examination not more में thermometer और temperature कितना है. It is more rigorous. जितने system body के अंदर है, उतने specialist. जितने system है, उतने specialist. और little click to understand. यहाँ तक